doing? What's wrong? Okay. We'll be right in. Is your door open? Are you hurt? Let me see your hands. Put your hands up by the window. Put your other hand by the window.
What's he got?
Keep an eye on him.
What's his name, George?
Do you need an ambulance?
You need an ambulance?
What's your name? Hey man, what's your name?
I think he said George. Are you George? Somebody called. They're worried about you. That's why we're here, to help you. Are you George? Are you George?
Are you able to get to the front door?
Hey, George, can you unlock the door and let us in?
What's wrong? You need help?
What's in his hand?
Hey, George, let me see both your hands. Are you all right? What's wrong? Okay, let me see both your hands. George, I'm just gonna help you. I know, I understand. I'll take care of you. Back up. He's got a shotgun.
Get some cover. It wasn't his phone, was it?
No. He showed me a phone in the window. I know he has a phone for sure.
Devices, similar to a Molotov cocktail, at an adjacent home. These incendiary devices smoked for several minutes without causing major damage. Officers attempted to communicate with Mr. Hollins using a police vehicle public address system. They repeatedly encouraged him to put down his weapon and come out of the house.
You need to step outside, put the shotgun on the ground, walk to the street with your arms in the air. We're gonna get you help.
Advise people in that house to get low. You're shooting out the windows of the house next door to them. Shots fired. One down.
Clear rear door. 1804, do you still want them able to come out there? Left there, left there.
One type of 90, she's secure.
18,